How to change bubbles to chat heads on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure your Messenger app is up to date to the latest version. Now, moving forward, you need to adjust settings. Go to your phone settings. Now tap search bar. Type in display and a list of options appear on your screen, where you have to scroll down and simply find out the option for display over other apps. Open it. Now, at the bottom, select display over other apps and wait until the application gets loaded. Now you need to search Messenger and open it, and make sure to toggle the button on for display over other apps. So simply launch Messenger app on your device. Log into your account. Tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen and select the settings icon at top right corner. Now scroll down to preferences section and simply toggle the button on for chat heads. Once you have done that, you can easily test the feature. Ask someone to message you and the chat heads should now pop up on your screen. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.